This sounds backwards, but actually using your cards can help you raise your credit score faster. Hers went up 48 points in just 1 month. Now, if we're using our cards, the first thing we do is pay any cash expenses that we have. Then we pay everything else left over to our credit cards. Then we pay all of our other bills with those cards after the credit card statement dates close, because we want the balances to report lower, which is what helps our credit score. As an example, let's say the monthly income is $8,000. The cash expenses here are $2,500. This leaves $5,500 that we can pay to all of our credit cards. Then we wait for the statements to close. We're going to be charged some interest. Now we still have $4,800 left on those cards to pay the other bills. So let's say all of these bills here plus anything else we would have like groceries or gas total $3,000 that is going back on the cards. Now, even though we spent $3,000 back on the cards to pay the bills, our balances on the cards still would have gone down $1,800 because we paid more to the cards than what we needed to spend back. And this is how our balances get lower. I made a super simple spreadsheet that can help you calculate all of these things. You can see we have the income, the cash expenses, the available to pay to the cards, and then you can plan each of your card payments. With the calculator here, you enter the card limit, the balance, the interest rate, the total amount of bills and spending that you plan to put back on the card, and then any additional payment that you want to make to have the balance get lower. This will show you the total amount that you need to pay to that one card. It's going to also track your utilization. So it tracks your current utilization, then it will track your new utilization after you make that payment that you planned on making, and then also the utilization after you put the spending back on the card. When you enter your plan payments over here, watch what happens to the available amount up here at the top. Right now it says $5,500, so we're going to pay $500 to card number 1. This up here is going to keep a running total of the amount that you have left to pay to any remaining cards.